Maps location problem. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the correct way how to fix this on your Google Maps. Just watch this video till the end. First, you don't need to open Google Maps. You have now to go and open the settings of your phone. And after this you have to search for apps option, and here you have to look for Google Maps. Where is Google Maps? Maybe here. Yeah, when you found Maps, you have to open it like this, and then you have to go to storage option, click on it and go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, then click OK, and then you have to go back and click on first stop and click OK. And now what's next? You have to go to permissions, and here you have now to go to locations, and you have to click on this allow while using the app. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.